In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add 8G glow on CapCut PC. So first, I import a video to my timeline. Now I can click on Ctrl C, then Ctrl B. This means copy and paste. Then select on the first layer, then remove the background first. Okay, it's already working. Applying on picture. So I'm waiting for a second. Okay, you can see it's already completed. So if I just out in the first layer, you can see it's working. So I don't need this one. So now I need to click on effect, then here are type 8G GL or W 8G glow. That's it. So I want to add first one in the first layer. Keep in mind it's going to be first layer. So now click on the effect, then you can see it's up down on here as well. It's up down. You can doing anything here. So if I playing this video right now, so you can see it's already working. So if you found this video helpful for me, make sure like and subscribe the channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.